In this video, we are going to see how we can add filter keywords for your comments on TikTok. So if anyone comments a specific word or a specific sentence and you want to block them, here's what you need to do. First of all, let's head over to our profile from the bottom right hand corner. And after that, we click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and head over to the settings and privacy. And now you want to scroll down until you see interactions. And here is interactions section. From here, we will choose direct messages. And at the bottom, we can see the filter keywords. That is right here. Click on that. And we can add any word. As you can see, it defines it. Recent messages with specific keywords on your chat will be hidden unless you approve them. So any comment like bad or any kind of word that you want to block all the comment or hide that comment who have used that specific word, you want to add them here and just make sure to toggle that on from the top. So that is how we do it. After that, all the inappropriate messages will automatically be hidden until you approve them. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.